everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 2x2 secret hidden entrance, a special one, not just this old thing, not just this useless thingy. I mean, what even is this? This is useless. I'm going to show you how to make a way better version, a secret one. You will need a block of your choice, redstone dust, redstone repeater, glass, sticky piston, another block of your choice, and a lever. Let's get started. First, place 4 sticky pistons. Then place 2 here. Then go 2 across, 1, 2, and then do the exact same thing, like this. Remember, like facing this way. And then you place the block that you want to be pushed. I want these. Then, your other block, place it here. Place redstone dust here and here. And then you place your redstone repeater and set it to 2 ticks. 1, 2. And then you place redstone dust here. Now do the exact same thing on the other side. 1, 2. 1, 2. Place a repeater, 2 ticks. Redstone dust. Now, dig a hole just like this. 3 shape there, 3 shape there, then dig up this, then dig up this part, so you just have like this, then dig up this, make sure it's like this. Now, place redstone dust here, 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 through here, and then like this. Now, place your redstone repeater here, 0 ticks. Then place another one here, also 0 ticks. Now, get a glass block, place it here, then place another one here, and another one here. Now get your solid block, and place it here, here, and here. Then place redstone dust on these glass blocks. Then a repeater, which is 0 ticks on top of here. And then redstone dust there. And you're ready to try it out. Flip the lever and see what happens. This is what should happen. If it doesn't work, well, just make sure the repeater, the ticks are right. Thanks for watching. Bye.